Hello there, welcome back. So I have this 2020 Kia Sorento S. So I just want to show you how to get to your overhead console bulbs in your car. So if one happen to go bad, blow or stop work, I'll show you how to get to it. So you have one to the front right here, you have one to the center, and one to the trunk. The trunk, I'm going to show you how to get to all of them. So first, to get to this one, you need a flat pine screwdriver, a small one just like this one, and I'm gonna pick from this side just like this, guys. I'm gonna pick the other side just like that, guys. So these are the two latch that hold it, and the clips, and the bulb is right here. So you're gonna push this end backward and pull the bulb down. So let me get it out, show you guys. So that's how I get it out. I push it backward to get to the bulb. So let me show you if I can show you what type of bulb is it, guys. So it's hold on, get it to focus. So KHA 12 volt 10 watt. So I'm going to get back the bulb inside. So bend a little. So you're gonna push it in, and you're gonna push it backward. It's a bit difficult to do it with one hand, guys, but let's get the bulb in, guys. If I can wipe it off with paper towel. Alright, so now I'm going to put back the clips. So this is the switch that turns it on and off. So you're gonna push this end in first, the smaller end. Push it in just like that, guys. Make sure it's in. I'm gonna push up and make sure it's locked. So I'm going to show you how to get to the center one. So you're gonna get the screwdriver, and there are two holes, one right here, one right here, and I'm gonna push just like this, guys. And come down just like that, and that's the bulb. So you're gonna hold the bulb and pull it down just like that, guys. See if I can show you the bulb. So it's the same type of bulb using it, guys. So alright, so now I get it back in. So I put back the cover. So there are two clips. I'm gonna push in just like that, guys, and lock it, and there you go. So now I'm going to do the one in the trunk. Alright, so I'm in the trunk now, guys. So right here you're gonna see these slot at both ends. I'm gonna push just like that, guys, and there you go. So as you can see, it use the same type of bulb, guys, for all of them. This is the switch that turns it on and off. That's it. So now I'm gonna put on the cover. So I'm gonna get the clip in. And there you go, guys. So simple and easy, just like that. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.